Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on change management. Change is inevitable in our personal and professional lives, and learning how to effectively manage it is key to our success. Change management is the process of preparing, equipping, and supporting individuals to successfully adopt change in order to drive organizational success and outcomes. It involves understanding the need for change, creating a vision for the future, communicating the change, and implementing strategies to support individuals through the transition. One important aspect of change management is understanding the need for change. Change can be driven by a variety of factors such as technological advancements, market trends, or internal processes that need improvement. By identifying the need for change, organizations can better prepare themselves and their employees for the upcoming transition. Creating a vision for the future is another crucial step in change management. This involves defining what success looks like after the change is implemented and communicating that vision to all stakeholders. A compelling vision helps to align everyone towards a common goal and inspires them to embrace the change. Communication is a vital component of change management. It is important to be transparent and provide regular updates to employees throughout the change process. By explaining the reasons for the change and addressing any concerns or questions, organizations can help employees feel more engaged and comfortable with the changes that are happening. Implementing strategies to support individuals through the transition is also essential. This may involve providing training and development opportunities, creating a support network, or offering incentives to motivate employees during the change process. By providing these resources, organizations can help employees adapt to the new way of doing things and ensure a smoother transition. In conclusion, change management is a critical process that helps organizations successfully navigate through periods of transformation. By understanding the need for change, creating a vision for the future, communicating effectively, and implementing supportive strategies, organizations can maximize the benefits of change and minimize potential challenges. So, embrace change, and remember that with the right approach, it can lead to growth and improvement for both individuals and organizations. Thank you for watching this video on change management. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.